Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft once again today reminds everyone on Windows 8.1 that the end of support is happening in January. So in January you'll get your last Patch Tuesday security updates. After that, of course, it still continues to work, but you are more at risk as time goes by to get malware, and that is going to be the biggest problem. And no antivirus does not protect you when a operating system is not supported anymore, doesn't have any security patches. So Microsoft, of course, in its way of trying to get people to move to Windows 11, said the best way to do so is to, of course, go to buy a new PC to get Windows 11, which is the thing that they actually suggest. So remember that if you are on Windows 8.1, you have the possibility to move on to Windows 10 for free. That is and will be compatible with pretty much any Windows 8.1 machine. And Windows 10 is free. So one thing that you could do is either upgrade from within Windows 8.1, go to the download page for Windows 11 and start the upgrade process. Or you can, of course, do a clean install if you want, and that will require you to have either a license key that might be on the machine itself. A lot of Windows 8 machines add embedded keys, so it might actually activate without you entering any keys. But the free ride to Windows 10 is still something that works on your computer. Microsoft never stopped the free upgrade from one system to the other, and using a product key, it works also. So that would extend your machine until 2025 at least for Windows. So that's another way to get a few years more after that. So anyways, Microsoft is clearly trying to get people into Windows 11. They seem to be a little desperate. And the way that they kind of talk about it and how they actually say that, well, you should buy a new PC and so on. It's that minimum requirement is crazy, and Microsoft, I think, got stuck in its own problems with that requirement, and now it's trying to have everybody move on to Windows 11 by buying a new PC if you don't have a supported machine. One thing that you can also do, and that would work, but you would have to, if you move to Windows 10, you can move to Windows 11 by doing using the unsupported method of doing so, but I would suggest Windows 10 is enough. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.